Hello everyone. I have already discussed with you how you can get jobs as a teacher in Canada if you have already done your B.Ed education in India or any other country. So in today's video, I will tell you one more scope of B.Ed, and even I will tell you two ways how you can get the jobs in daycares of Canada. So let us start. So today's video is all about how to get jobs in daycares in Canada. As you know, there are many daycares in every province of Canada. So your scope will very much increased if you will be trying in these institutions, in these daycares. But for that you need a license, and I will talk about that license today, and how you can get that license. To get that license, firstly there are two ways. So the very first way is ECE course. If you are moving there as a study visa candidate, you can go for this ECE course, that is early childhood education course. And after completing this course, you can apply for the license there and you can work in the daycares of Canada. So this is the first way. If you are thinking of going there on the basis of study visa. But the second way, if you are moving there, you are already a PR and you are moving there as a permanent resident, then you can choose this other option. In this option, you need to have B.Ed. B.Ed is a compulsion, because to do any teaching job there, mostly B.Ed is required, Bachelor of Education is required. Many of you have asked me that if you can apply without B.Ed. No, it is not possible, because we have to complete a Bachelor of Education program from India if you want to try getting a job using your Indian credentials. If you have moved there already, you can do any course which is equivalent to this Bachelor of Education, and you can apply as a teacher in different schools or any other institutions. But if you want to do a job with your Indian credentials, you have to do a B.Ed. So we will discuss both these ways today in this video. So as you can see, firstly, if you're firstly, if you want to move to British Columbia, then this is the website. Here you can move and check out all the documents requirement and how to apply for that. But today I will discuss about Saskatchewan, because there is huge demand of daycare teachers there in Saskatchewan. And firstly, I will make a video for that and how you can apply for that, and moreover, at which level we can get after doing the B.Ed from India. So firstly, I would like to show you some proofs that after getting through these certifications, after getting through these evaluation, how you can get ECE certification. Like if you have already done your B.Ed, then you will get ECE 1 or ECE 2 or ECE 3 depending upon your Bachelor of Education credits. Means if you have done all the credits that they required for the ECE license, then you will get the certification ECE 3, that is level 3. So it totally depends upon the B.Ed which you have already done. So to evaluate that for Saskatchewan, you have to go through WES. If you want to move to BC, then the process is different. So for Saskatchewan, you have to go through WES, and there are too many persons who have told about their different experiences. Okay, and this is the best way to ask someone if you want to get to know about the real experiences. But if you are international graduate, that is you have done B.Ed from any other province or from any other country, then how you can apply for ECE is you have to go through the WES process, WES. In the WES, you have to choose ICAP, that is course by course evaluation. That is this one, course by course evaluation. Means you have to do the WES same process, but if you move there as a permanent resident, we go for ECA, that is through document by document process. But in this, you have to go for course by course evaluation. After sending these reports through WES to this address, you will get an assessed credentials. After looking at those credentials, you will get the level 1, level 2 or level 3 certification. So it totally depends upon your B.Ed. Even you can check here. With ECE level 1, you can also do job as a daycare educator. If you will get the ECE level 1, you can work for 65 hours or more. So I will share the link in description. You can check it and you will get to know everything. Now I would like to share one more thing with you. This is the guide that can guide you more, and here you can even check out that our B.Ed is eligible. Means if you are a B.Ed graduate and you are eligible for ECE certification, see, you can get to know from this. The first way is to complete the training, that is to study visa, and the second way is if you have any equivalent graduation, that then also you can apply for this. Like even they have given an example here that okay, equivalent courses are typically completed in a program with human services, such as Bachelor of Education with early childhood courses. We will lack in any of the credit. You can complete that in 3 to 4 months, and after that you will get job as a daycare educator. So I think this option is very good for you if you are already B.Ed graduate. I think that all the teachers who really want to move there as a PR or as on a work permit, they should go for this course. They should go for this license. And getting these license really helps you a lot because earning will be good. As a daycare educator, you will get to earn good. So I think you can. I will share all the details in my description. Also you can go through the link, and even you can, if you want to get this, you can join my Telegram channel where I will share this PDF. You can get to know everything from this. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video till end.